How's it going? This is Austin Smasher's dad. My name's Alex. Got the new fidget spinners in. Austin's got the camera today. He's back there. Say what's up, Austin.
What's up?
Alright, this is a new one. It's pretty cool, dude. Nice and heavy. Good bearing spin. I think it's a sealed bearing as opposed to a loose ball bearing. Click like and make sure to subscribe.